Hello, I'm Jonathan Crook, Print Technical Consultant for HP. In this training video, I will quickly show you how to use Job Build in the FutureSmart 4 or 5 firmware platform on our enterprise class devices. Depending on your model and firmware level, some features or buttons may not be available. Today, I am using an Enterprise Class 6 series device with flow features. Job Build capabilities are different than the job preview you've seen in another video of mine. Job Build allows you to build out a job without previewing the images, but allows you to build out a job that has more images than the job preview will allow. Job Build is available in copy, scan to email, and scan to folder. For this demonstration, I will use the copy mode to show you where it's at. So when you go into the application and you go into options, you're going to look for scan mode. Inside scan mode, you're going to check off prompt for additional pages. This will enable the job build function and allow you to keep scanning documents until you are done. So once you are done, you're going to hit done, and then I'm going to hit copy, and it's going to start scanning the originals in my ADF. The job build function is designed so you could scan from the ADF of the machine to the glass to the ADF, or just in case you have more than one document. You can see here it's prompting me to add additional pages. So I could do something as simple as put a piece of paper on the glass, and I can say it's letter, and I can hit scan, and it's going to scan that document. Job Build will keep prompting you until you are done. When you are done with the job you're doing, just hit done on the screen, and the machine will then start doing the process of, in this case, copying, but sending the email or sending the folder. I hope this has been informative for you. Have a great day.